Now, this won't be easy, and this does take some time and some work, and these are some legitimate ways that you can try. So here are my 5 steps that you can make more money right after you make that like button turn blue for the YouTube algorithm. So the first and the best way to make more money is by selling your kidney, because you only need one to live. Okay, really. The first way is by reselling some of your things. Chances are you have some items in your house that you've been meaning to get rid of, and this is the perfect time to do so. It can be old clothes, books, or anything that you really don't use that has value, and you can hold a garage sale or post them on eBay or on the Facebook Marketplace or even on Amazon for some certain items. Now, this does take some work, but anyone can do, and you can finally purge through your house and you can make a little bit more money. Now, second, the best way to make a little bit more money is by finding a temporary part-time position. It's not fun or always exciting to do, but you can make it fun by choosing what kind of job you want to do. I used to work at the gym for a little bit, and right after my shift, I got to use the gym for free. You can do that too, or work at a restaurant and get some free food. Now, third, I like this one because chances are you have a skill that can make you money. You could be a great photographer or a video editor or a piano player like me. What you want to do is put your work out there, and the best way to do this is by using social media. You could do freelancing and take pictures for other people, or do some video editing and you could take on some projects. You can be a piano player like me, and you can teach somebody how to play the piano too. I like this option because I already have the skill and it's something fun I like to do. Now, fourth, you can do something like what I'm doing, and that's starting a YouTube channel. It does take some time and it does take some work, but it can be fun and you can make a little bit more money. You can literally post whatever you want so long as there's an audience for it. You can make videos like these where you just talk about the things you already know, or just showcase your day by making a vlog. You just have to attract the right viewers and do this long enough, and you'll start to see the returns later on. And fifth and lastly, you can invest. If you have extra money, you can always invest in the stock market or in real estate. It's been proven that you can make more money, but with the right strategy. You can also invest in yourself, read books. You can learn a new skill. There are just some skills in this world that pay more than others. You can learn how to code, you can do some copywriting, or even go into sales. There are a ton of skills, but I'm just scratching the surface. You want to find something that you're interested in, and you want to set time aside so you can develop these skills. With all these suggestions, it does take some time, some money, and some work, but making more money is just half the battle, which is why in this video, I'm going to show you how to maximize your money and make you more money even when you sleep.